In this video, we will show you how to reset all of the service reminder timers. Please reset only the timer relevant to the service task being performed. The term overhaul actually references a service maintenance reminder interval and is not an actual overhaul. Initial overhaul, 50-hour service. Minor overhaul, 500-hour service. Major overhaul, 1,000-hour service. Start by pressing the center button on the left side of the screen. Hit the Enter button to enter into General Settings. Scroll down to 1510 for Initial Overhaul Reset Wrench with a 0. Press Enter. Press Enter again to highlight. Press Up. For On, hit Enter to reset. Press X to exit. Scroll down to 1530 Minor Overhaul Reset or 500-hour service wrench with a 1. Press Enter. Press Enter again to highlight. Press Up for On. Press Enter to reset. Press X to exit. Scroll down to 1560. For a major overhaul reset or 1,000-hour reset, wrench with a 2, press Enter. Press Enter to highlight. Press Up for On. Press Enter to reset. Press X 3 times to go back to the main screen. Please refer to the unit's instruction manual for additional information. Questions? Please contact us at 800-732-6762 or acce.customerservice@us.atlascopco.com. You can also use our Power Connect app for more helpful information.